It is Yen here from DecoArt. Welcome back to my channel. So I think the way that I will be doing this is that I have already posted this painting, my swipe, Kathleen Osmore from COZ Creations inspired swipe. It did not turn out, as you can see, the way that I wanted it to. It really, it didn't shift. It was level and everything, but I must have mixed the paint way too thin, so the silver especially just broke up, like as you can see. So really not what I wanted. There's some parts on here that look okay, but this is definitely not what I wanted. So I'm gonna repaint it and hope that by letting it be a little thicker, it'll turn out the way that I expected or I had hoped. The reason why my paints are, well, the reason why it broke up like it did here is that I added too much water. I was trying to get the same consistency as Cathleen uses, but the difference is that she uses the US Floetrol, I used the European equivalent, either Obertrol or Malverk pouring medium, and clearly too much water is just not, yeah, it just doesn't work for this. So I'm gonna try to mix it up in a different way and probably leave it a little thicker, because my test piece that I did not turn out this way. So, but I also just wanted to show you that I've decided to, I painted the sides black, so, and I've taped it, and then I just wanted to show you a little trick of how you can avoid, hopefully, that the actual pour bleeds down on the sides. So as you can see, I put on tape, masking tape, and I painted the sides black, all the sides, and then what you do is you just take some of that black paint that you used for painting the sides, and you actually paint over the tape, and by that sealing the tape to the sides, and that way hopefully the paint will not seep through the colors. So that's a trick that I learned from my brother, who used to be a house painter, and that's the way that they would do it when they were making like lines right under the ceilings or something. If they wanted a little color board or something, then they would, or band, then they would do this. Also when they made like a straight line on a wall, they would seal it up like this. So that's something that he taught me, and I'm hoping this is actually the first time that I'm trying to use masking tape for covering the sides and not painting them over, so, or letting the pour run into over the sides. So hopefully this actually works. Hope that you can use that. I will, once I'm done with this, I will get you down. Well, you're already down on the painting, but I'll start a new pour, and hopefully this will turn out better. I'll be right back. Okay, so let's just go through the colors again real quick. The base coat is a mix of silver and sterling silver, approximately 50-50. Have the mix here. It's been mixed with my German Floetrol, which is Malverk in this case, and mixed with Liquitex pouring medium, so that's a mix of 50-50. But then I have also, just to try it, this thins it out without adding more water than I already have. I actually added some of the Amsterdam pouring medium, which I know will sell up, but that's part of what I want from the silver from the base coat. I do want it to sell up, so I decided that in order to not add as much water as I had before, I thinned it out with the Amsterdam pouring medium, and I only had to add a little water extra. So the black is the Amsterdam Oxide Black, That one was definitely also too watery before, so that one I have kept on the thicker side. They're all consistency-wise the same, but I didn't add any water in the golden fluids, which I did last time to get it a little thinner, and that's where I think I went wrong. So, silver, what is an iridescent silver, fine golden fluid, and then the golden fluid burnt sienna, the golden fluid Quinacridone orange, burnt orange, because I don't have the nickel azure gold in the fluid. I only have it in the thick one. And then we have the golden fluid iridescent gold, fine. And last but not least, the golden fluid iridescent pearl. So let's get started. Oh, and I might actually also swipe with the cell activator this time, which would be the black one, which is Australian Floetrol mixed with Amsterdam Oxide Black, 3:1. So 3 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint. And I told you that I had painted the edges here just to seal off the tape with black. I'm actually gonna real quick just paint it with a silver as well, so that the black doesn't shine through. I don't think it will shine through, but I'll be right back. I think I'll just quickly paint it with some silver. Okay, as you can see, the black still shows through, but this is just to make sure that, yeah, hopefully it won't show once the base coat has covered it as well. We'll just start putting down the base coat. Might actually put on a little too much, because I didn't think about the fact that the sides do not need to be covered. But anyway, just gonna let it run off, and then I'm gonna collect the drips in my slop bucket and take it from there. Exciting news, 1st of December we'll have another World AIDS Day pour collaboration with, I think will be 12 artists. We haven't made the schedule yet, and we're not exactly sure what time we'll be starting. We have some people from Europe, myself included, and other people from the US, obviously. So there'll be more about that very soon, but keep your eye out. We will be having a World AIDS Day collaboration like we did last year. I think I'll leave it at this. I will take you down and do a close-up, but as we know, this will develop a lot more. Lesson learned, I do think that next time when I do this, I do have to turn the canvas around. I didn't want to do it, but it does seem that this part up here, because I had to reach, seems a little wobbly, different. I don't know. We'll have to see when it dries, but let me get you down and show you the close-up. Okay, so here's the close-up, starting at the bottom left. I like the way that it's selling up. I'm just hoping that it doesn't go crazy like it did last time. This is the part where I'm hoping something will happen, because it looks a little bit wobbly. I do like the way that the, is it the burnt sienna or the burnt orange that's shining through? I think it's the burnt sienna. Here. Love these details. The gold is showing through. So yeah, I think this is a more successful one, but let's see what it looks like once it's dried up. Can't even show you. Have to reach up really far. I think you can see it there. Okay, I'll show you when it's dry. So here is the dried result. It really came out nice. I love it. Let's try to zoom out first. It's hard because it's very wide. But yeah, I really love the way that it's celled up. I really love the way that this center is stunning. And this upper part, which I was a little bit concerned about, really just dried nicely. So I am happy with this one. Very proud of it. Really love the details in it. So much going on. Love the middle. I mean, I guess when you go real close, I can see there's still a little of the silver that broke up, I guess, but trust me, when you see this in real life, it looks really stunning. It really does. I'm very happy with it. Thank you to Cathleen for the inspiration. I couldn't, or I could, but this was definitely inspired by her piece. Wow, it's really big. There. And I love how that I painted the sides black. The whole thing about covering the sides with tape and also painting. Sorry, it keeps going out of focus. Painting the tape so that the paint wouldn't seep down through on the side. It worked. As you can see, there's really nowhere where I need to do any touch-ups. I think there might have been one part on the back, but I can't even see it now. But yeah, really, really cool piece. Love it. And it just went out of focus again. There we go. Yep, there you have it. Thank you for watching. You all have a great day. Bye.